Robert, yes, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. About the like swallowing a pill that has a bitter taste. What if it's not a medicine? What if it's like a vitamin or something? Can it be non-kosher, or does it have to be kosher?
It's as you said, preferably to find in a kosher substitute. So I specifically said about vitamins. Go to after the class. Go to koshervitamins.com. I mean, if it's kosher, it should be there, or it should have some kind of substitution. Right. So, but if don't, so I mean, technically, the most lenient opinion that I saw, just so you know, so we can, if in cases of the need, we can, thank you, we can go by the most lenient opinion, so you can swallow, because one more time, it's not eating you. This, even though like let's say capsule is from it's usually from the pig. I don't remember what name they used, and I had to call the company and say, what does it word mean? Please tell me. I could not find in the dictionary. I don't remember. I said, no, it's actually the pig bones, the pig sin. I always vomited. I said, okay, no, don't continue. But but technically, it's not considered to be eaten because you swallow. So as he said, as author said, and that's what I also advise. So if you can wrap it in a tissue, so for sure you don't have your palate even does not even touch the pill, no problem whatsoever. But one more thing that we must mention. So just keep in your mind, even though some things are available or allowable. As we learned in our class about medical halacha, so it says very interesting thing. Even though it's when somebody's life is in danger, for sure on Shabbos, and you're allowed to give that person non-kosher food, for sure you're allowed, 100%. But it says clearly, I would say, just say, if it's possible, if this person can wait, it's preferable to kill the whole cow, to prepare the meat and give him a kosher piece of meat. So the question is, if this non-kosher food is allowed, it says clearly, and Shalom says allowed. Why would and you just go to your neighbor, right, Steve, and get 1 pound of meat. You cook food in his pot, in your pot, doesn't matter. Like you can kosher later, and then give to your sick family member. Why would I go get all these people involved, get a cow, get a shechter, this and that on Shabbos? It's so much work. Why would I do that? And now I just explain, even though it's allowed, and you were allowed to eat the non-kosher food, guess what? The fact did not change. This non-kosher food went into your system. It went to your blood. You want it not, or you tasted it, not tasted. It's all irrelevant. It went into your system, and guess what? It went to your brain. You understand? So if it's minute amount, but some people have some strange ideas. Why? Maybe not all of the food they eat is kosher. So that's why we advise do your best to find a kosher substitute, or do at least wrap it in something. Okay, but if eaten even in permissible manner, so we have to remember it's going to affect our soul. Okay.